Today I'm going to show you how to make the triangle peg for the pegboard toy. The circle and square you should already know how to make. I'm just going to show you how to do the triangle one. So the first thing you'll want to do is go up here and make a new part. And then once that is loaded, you're going to start a sketch. And then you can pick any one of these planes. It really doesn't matter. I'm just going to pick X, Y. All right, now to make the triangle shape, you don't want to use the line tool. That does not do a good job. You want to use this tool, even though it says rectangle at the top. Yours might say polygon at the top, but usually it'll say rectangle. However, if you notice, there's a little drop down here. That's what the triangle underneath the word means. There's a drop down. There's drop downs for all these things here that you can do. All right, this one, if you drop down, you'll find polygon. Now, it always defaults to 6, but that would be a hexagon. We want a triangle. So you're going to type 3, but don't press enter. Then you just click on the screen. I usually click here on the center dot. It really doesn't matter where you click. And then move your mouse, and a triangle will form. And then you can just press enter. Oh, sorry, not press enter. Click. Got my buttons mixed up. Click again, and then click done. Now we need to make it the right size. So you just click dimension, click any point, it doesn't matter, and then the opposite edge, which would be the base. Move your mouse and click on your screen, type in 1, and now you can press enter, and that'll be your 1-inch triangle. And then you can finish your sketch, and you should already know how to extrude it to make it into the peg shape. And make sure you extrude it 3 inches, and then color it, and you'll be ready to go.